Hey guys, what's going on? So now I'm going to show you how to make this origami flicker that has a blinking eye on it. See? Just like that. And this is how it flies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, and now unfold, and now fold this edge to this crease. And now repeat on this side. Fold this edge to this crease. Okay, now rotate like this, and now we're gonna fold this up right on this crease right here. So we're gonna extend this crease all the way across. Like this. And crease that nice and sharp. And repeat on this side. So fold on this crease. Okay, just like that. And now turn over and fold this right over the edge. And repeat on this side. Just like that. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this part right here and we're gonna fold this up right in between these 2 points. Like this. Okay. And now we're gonna take this part, maybe I'll zoom in. So we're gonna fold this part up just a little bit. It's not that important. We're just shortening this because we're gonna tuck it inside. So just shorten it like this to taste. Alright, and now we're gonna unfold it, and now it's tucking into the pocket. So take it and just fold it inside. Just like this. Alright, crease that sharply. Alright, and now pull this flap out and do the same thing. So fold in between these 2 points. Or fold it up as far as it goes. Doesn't matter. And now shorten it to taste, so that way you can tuck it into the pocket. Unfold it. Let's rotate it like this, and fold it in there like this. Okay, like that. And now flatten everything good. So this is going to become the eye right there, that little slit right there. Okay, but before we do that, let's do some other steps first. So let's unfold here and unfold that flap. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up. And you want this point to align with this middle line, like this. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, you want to fold it up so that you don't see any white right there. So the edges meet. Just like this, so until that white triangle is gone. Like that. And fold it. Alright, now unfold that, and now let's stick it underneath this flap. Stick it under, like that. Alright, and repeat on this side. So, unfold here, make sure this point aligns with the middle, and fold it up so you don't see any white right there. Like this. Alright, now stick it underneath that flap. Like that. Okay, now fold this back up like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open this pocket right here and we're going to stick this flap in. And fold it in so that the fold hits this edge and it anchors at that point right there at the corner. Close enough is fine too. Yeah, the corner is kind of bulky right there, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. So once you got it, crease that nice and sharp. Okay, now repeat on this side. So fold it up like this on that existing fold. Open the pocket up. And fold that inside so it hits that raw edge and in between that point right there. Alright, and don't worry about the corner. It's gonna get a little bit bulky right there, but it doesn't matter. The good thing is that this is a flicker, and it flies really good. Alright, now make sure everything's flat like this. Make it as flat as possible. If you really want it to be flat, stick it under like a pile of books or something heavy, and keep it overnight. But if you're impatient like me, just crease everything sharply. Like that. Now before we fly it, I'm gonna show you to make the eye on it, like this. And this is just like that other model that I taught last week right there. Yeah, click right there for that tutorial, the blinking eye. So here we go. So this is just gonna be, this is really to taste actually, so do this however you can do it. So we're gonna make a little reverse fold right there, like this. Just kind of take this raw edge and make a couple diagonal folds from that point right there. Maybe one right there to taste, and then from that point too, make a little diagonal fold to taste, like this. Careful so you don't tear the paper. Alright, and then now let's just kind of fold it like this. Do this to taste, however you want, like that. Alright, so there's one side right there, now let's repeat on this side. So reverse fold it to taste. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I actually kind of liked it the way it was because it's cleaner. But this is pretty cool too. Like that, and there is the blinking eye. So yep, there it is. And of course if you turn it over, it disappears. But if you shine from behind, the eye reappears just like that. So, there you have it. Alright, now let's see how this sucker flies. Oh, and you can also make it spin too. If you make these two folds like this, you can make it spin like so. Find a smooth table and see, it can spin just like that. Alright, now let's fly it. Okay, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker, so I recommend having this side up, so the side without the eye on it, so with these two creases. So here's the side with the eye, I'm gonna have that be the bottom. So here goes. So I'm just gonna hold it like this and flick on this edge. So here goes. Oh, yeah, I didn't flick it hard enough, so it didn't go that far. Oh, there you go, that was good. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna have the eyeball side face up. And let's see how that flies. Hopefully it'll fly, let's see. Nope, that was a fail. Let's try again. Yeah, so it's not gonna fly well if you have that side up. But really have the clean side face up when you do this. So it'll fly like this. Alright, so there you have it. Well, hope you guys were able to fold that, and hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe and make demos if you did. Alright, see you guys later.